everyone, welcome to another tutorial on how to put a Rockin Cushions Slipcover on an IKEA piece of furniture. So today I am going to focus on the discontinued IKEA Nils armchair, and I have to say this was going to be left out of my catalogue this year, but people have been requesting covers for this chair for years. So I don't know why IKEA discontinued it, because everybody still wants them, everybody still loves them, and everybody still wants to upgrade them with a custom cover. So today I'm going to put on a navy blue velvet cover, which is just going to transform this very basic armchair, like this, into a really unique accent chair, maybe a slipper chair for your living room. You can also use it as a dining chair for a little table, cafe style. This chair is really so versatile. So if you have one of these at home, I urge you not to throw it out. Don't take it to landfill. Instead, buy a new cover, upcycle, and keep it in your family for generations to come. So here is my cover. I love velvet, and I know it's really trendy right now, but for some reason it's always been around for me, and I think it will never go out of style. So this velvet in particular is by Majesty Fabrics, and it's just low pile, it has a low sheen, and it's just super luxurious. So all we're going to do is slip this over the back, if I can get it right, like this. And just to show you that this cover has this little piece in the middle here that goes in between the seat and the back, and then it's just going to Velcro underneath. So I'm going to just put this in right now. Stuff it down here. My chair is a little older, so the Velcro sticks to this outside cover quite a lot, which makes it hard to stick down, but I am changing the covers on this chair a lot. You're probably only going to do it a couple of times, so you're not going to have that problem. Okay, and then we're going to put this over the arms, tuck in the sides just a little bit more, Velcro down front, Velcro down the sides, like this. This side here. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. And then I'm going to flip it over to show you how this piece that slipped in between the two sections is going to come out and Velcro to the frame underneath the chair. And then we're going to Velcro the cover on top as well. Flip it back around. And voila! Beautiful navy blue velvet slipcover for your discontinued IKEA Nils armchair.